Alright guys, so mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point. Make sure you are on a third road, just like what you see me do. And please make sure cars are not moving, so you will not say you know what I mean. Then you do just like the way I did, and then you walk away. When you are done with this, you can now save your video to your gallery and then head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project and import the video you just recorded. You get my point. So we don't even need an empty background, but what you need to do is from this particular part where the character is lying down, so you tap on the video layer from this other part here. Just tap on the video layer. Now you tap on split and delete the beginning of the video. You get my point. So just delete that shit, bro. Please don't sleep off while doing this. You get my point. So what you need to do right here is for you to go towards the ending part of the video, how you want your own to end. You get my point. So from here I'm going to tap on the video layer, tap on split and delete the ending part. Delete that shit, bro. So see, the video is short and I was rushing when I was lying down, so I will tap on the video layer, go to speed and then go to normal, then reduce it. Understand? When I was lying down, I heard a car was coming, so I had to just I had to get up immediately. I can't just risk my life for this. So this is how it's gonna be. So I have to make sure the video is a little bit longer, just like at least it's up to 14 seconds for the main video, or 12 seconds or so. You get my point. So guys, if you've not liked this video, please like the video. Now you need to bring in your effect. So you click on overlay, then click on add overlay. Bring in your effect right here. Now place 2 fingers on your screen and drag it to fit to screen, just like what you see me do right here. You get my point. So now what you're gonna do, just go over to remove BG. Now click on chroma key, move this circle to where it shows green completely. Then you can work on the intensity. Just adjust the intensity, adjust the shadow. You need to adjust this feather edge and the cleanup edge. Do a little adjustment right there. You get my point. Alright guys, so if this is your first time of coming across my video, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing tutorials like this. You get my point. Then like this video. Also let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. I'll be there to assist you 100%. You get my point. So guys, when you are done with the settings, with this adjustment, all you need to do is to click on this OK button right here. And lest I forget, if you want this particular effect, this particular green screen effect, DM me on WhatsApp. I will send it to you. So that's just it, guys. So now you have to position the effect. It was as if the effect was going down, so I have to drag it a bit to go up, so it will then I adjust it, make it bigger a little. You can do this, understand? If you want your cars to be smaller, like those cartoon cars, very small, you can make it, but I want my own to be realistic, so I had to expand it, make it bigger a little, so it will look like a real car, like what you guys are seeing on your screen right now. I believe you get my point. So that's just it, guys. And the next thing for you to do right here is you just tap on the effect layer, tap on speed. Now you need to reduce the speed a little, because the effect itself is short, so you reduce the speed to 6 or so. Then you can now come to the main video and do the adjustment, adjust the main video, make sure both of them are aligned so one will not end while one is still waiting. So you can decide to save the video, export the video the way it is, but I want to make it go to 4K. I want to make it rank to 4K. So I'll just tap on the video layer, now go look for adjust. You click on adjust. Now you click on brightness, you increase it a little. You get my point. You can make it 10. Please don't make it too much. You click on adjust again. You get my point. Now let's go click on sharpen, increase it to 100. click on clarity, increase to 100. So it's fine though, but I still want to add something. So you need to click on hue. Where is hue? Where is that hue? Where are you, bro? Click on hue. Now increase the hue to this is 30. No, bring it down. Just bring it to 20, and you can leave it there at 20. Now look at the video now. Don't you like what you see? And I believe it's fine. Yes, from my eyes I see that it's fine. So that's just it, guys. There is nothing again you need to do right here then for you to add your own sound. If you want to add any sound, you can add any sound. You do a little adjustment here, position the effect how you want them to go. You get my point? So if you don't like this video, please like this video. If you've not subscribed, subscribe now. You get my point? Then tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. Make sure you align the ending part of the video so all of them will end together. When you are done with that, you can now export your video. You save it to your gallery and you are good to go. You get my point? So that's just it. So see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.